Adding extra baggage in your Etihad Airways is pretty easy thing to do. Today, we are going to talk about how you guys can add extra baggage in your Etihad pre-booked flight. So suppose you just booked the flight and now you know that you have extra baggage for your flights and you want to add it to your flight. So for that, you just have to go to their website. As you guys can see, I'm at their homepage, and then you have to hover on manage. And here you just have to select the extra baggage under extra section, and it will take you to this page. Now here you just have to select your flight. Suppose I'm just gonna do this randomly for your idea, and then I'm just gonna click on go. You just have to navigate and find your flight. After finding the flight, you guys can book the flight. After finding the flight, you guys can add the extra baggage of some cost. But what is the cost? You just have to scroll down and you guys will be able to see the cost for the extra baggage. There is a whole lot of chart. You just have to find the chart for your company and you guys will be able to calculate the price for the extra baggage that you want to add. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.